Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. Z to L. Brown color, pink color, yellow color, red color, black color, light green color, blue color, orange color, green color, violet color. First, light green color. Light green color, Z. Z for grapes. Blue color. Blue color, H. H for horse. H for hen. Green color. Green color, I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. Red color. Red color, Z. Z for juice. Z for jackfruit. Yellow color. Yellow color, K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Brown color. Brown color, L. L for light. L for lamp. Light green color, Z. Z for grapes. Z for grass. Blue color, H. H for horse. Green color, I for igloo. Red color, J. J for jackfruit. Yellow color, K. K for kite. Brown color, L. L for lamp. Thank you.